Okay, I started the live stream, but I'm not sure if it's actually streaming. I'm using the what is that? OBS to kind of run it. And I'm really just doing this to test out. Oh, nice. It works. My thingamabob. Woo. Okay, so Soul Site TV. Let me just pop this on to the next screen. Uh, if you're tuning in, I am making this for showing you how to kind of use AI to build a chatbot. That's what I'm going to be doing today. So let me see. Let us pull up the docs. I'll put the chat right here in case. Okay. Yeah, so let's continue. And if you do find this useful, that buy me a coffee thing up there, that would be nice to get me a coffee. So I'm going to start just straight up how we're going to do this. So I want to make a butler. Butler with full context of who I am. Oop. Ah, what in the world is wrong with me? I am. Man, with the files upload. Let's brainstorm first. Let's brainstorm on what I want to do. Yeah, I hate that. Okay, let me see. I'm going to add my book. Some Google Docs. And I want to know what in the world. If you can, let me see. What was I going to think about? I want to know if you can find all my socials and digital footprints. In general. For even more context. Book. What is this? What? I'm going to add my book. Oh, some Google Docs. And I want to know if you find all my social. So this is how easy it is to do everything. So if you are watching, which probably nobody is right now. Oh, nice. I didn't know you could do that. Am I even live right now? I think I'm live. So I'm just going to let it. I'm on Sonnet Low? Why am I on Sonnet Low? Come on, dude. It's supposed to be Opus. Opus Low. There you go. All right. Now that we're doing this, I'm going to pop this up. Is this going to exit that? Oh, no. Okay. All right, 3 layers. Love this. A botler that actually knows. Great project. I missed it about that. Decisions. 3 layers worth keeping separate in your head. The corpus, your book, Google Docs, who is Steven material. Ah, oh no. You know what? I'm just going to answer these. What do you picture? Hold on. What do you picture talking to your bottler. Prompt page in MP update site, terminal style. You know, I want to make it its own app. My own personal bottler. Let's make it its own app. Next, how should the bot use your corpus? Rag, vector, upload everything and receive relevant chunks per section. Big system prompt. About me. Hybrid. Help me decide. Hybrid. How far should I go on the digital footprint sweep? Public sweep. Confirm. Give handle first. Official exports. 3. Do public sweep. Okay. Yes, for them. I can't log into anything. Okay, so I used to do OSINT, so hopefully that's what. Let me see answers. What was his recommendation? Okay, yeah, that's what I basically did. Perfect, that changes the law identity. Good question before. Okay, have your name. Okay, so let's start adding stuff. Hold on, one quick for us. Drop those in on open. Okay, full name, username, handle, book's title. Where is it? Where is my book? Is it this one? Book 2 completed. You know, I'll just pop this guy in. So that goes there. Let me open this guy real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna open this. Let me pop this guy over here so you don't see all my secretive files in my Google Docs. Okay, so it's taking a bit. I'm sorry for the delay right here, but let us get to this. Is it super laggy on your guys' end? I'm sorry if it is. And if you are watching this, I appreciate it. So, okay, so I have got that. I'll add my signature speech. Wait, what? Can I just? Nope. So I do have to download each of these. Or, you know, I'm just gonna copy all and paste. Oh, Control A, Control C, Control V. Oh, that just popped in the whole thing. Let me redo that then. I will save it. Download PDF. Okay, nice. This is perfect, actually. I'll just download a bunch of PDFs. So right now I'm in my Google Docs, popping in some random stuff. So I did that. I got my, I'm not gonna do my 4-week curriculum on self-mastery. So if you do not know me, I created a pretty in-depth, hold on just a moment, lesson outline. Okay, yeah, so I created a pretty in-depth workbook curriculum for practical self-mastery is what I call it, or even pseudo-enlightenment. Oh no. Yeah, so you can call it pseudo-enlightenment if you wanted to. It's called the 12 downloads. As I'm downloading something, it's called the 12 downloads to the update. So let me just pop these two right here. That's my signature speech. Here's my lesson outline. I was working on some fictional books. I might put those in there. But let's see. You are my personal to reply. Write your future with workbook copy. Do, do, do. You know, I'm even gonna do my syllabus, my 6-week syllabus. I'm sorry for the background noise. Let me get this here. So we're gonna download this guy. Then it is downloaded. There's my 6-week syllabus. If you're just tuning in, or if you even got this far, Mirror Path Philosophy, the formula to inconsistency. That is the book I've written for practical self-mastery. And what that is basically a formula. It's 100 pages with the first half being the formula, and then the second half being the reason behind the formula. Okay, let me check. I'm still looking at more documents that I may have to put into expand journal template 12 primary lessons. 12 lessons. Okay, yeah, nice. I actually have a full phase dedication. Is this my whole book? Reference compendium formula chapter 1. Ah, what? Why is it said? Why is it named the 12 lessons if it's the book? What a waste of time I just made right there. Simple guide to deep introspection. I will add that because that is a big part of everything that I have done. So let me just download that as a PDF. Then I will add that there. And then maybe I'll just do one more thing. So I got that in PDF. Page 15. Offline. Okay. I think that's enough for now. So your book's title, Amazon. I don't need that. Full name. You go get. Drop those. Your book's title, Amazon. Any one URL. Use my. Bremerton, Washington. Book's title, anyone, profile. No, I think this is my. I think that's my X. So I think that's my X account. School, community. What else do I use? Facebook? Or and then just my YouTube. I think it's what is my Facebook? Or what is my YouTube? You guys are looking at it now, so let's see. I am really testing this to see if I can find it. What is my thingamabob? Right here. Okay. At MirrorPath RPG. Ah, okay. So that is, I don't need the full name. Okay. One question for do you want to start by scaffolding the app? Get a working chat talking client. Yeah. Use Sonnet for the chatbot for the Bot-ler. Yeah. Load deal. Go ahead. Bot-ler now. If you will. Boom. And any questions before you start? Also, I'm live streaming. Dun, 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 dun. No, how do I add this? Allow Claude to read Mirror Path philosophy. Allow. MP update. Oh, okay, so it's just gonna be. So this might take a lot of coinage. Let me. What was I doing over here? Oh, docs. Okay. Let me just cover this camera while my mother-in-law passes by. Allowance. Okay. And allowance. Ah, I didn't read that. That's the one thing that I always suggest is always read that before you allow it. philosophy, tech OS metaphor. Extract the text and preview. Allow once. Bot-ler project and copybook into corpus. Allow. Okay, I do want to pull this guy up. I'm going to show you guys this while we're waiting on some of that. This is the soulstyletv.web.app. It's only this for now, and I'm going to close it because it's starting to get glitchy. All right. I guess I won't be showing you guys that a lot. Okay, so that, reading all that and creating this bot-ler. Okay. It has made it so I'm approaching my weekly usage limit already. Boom. Okay, so 75% because it was building the scaffolding. Okay, so we might not even be able to do this. Fetch mirror path. What? Mirror path coaching. That is not mine. Deny. What in the world is mirror path coaching? I know the thought behind mirror path, but I didn't know someone made a mirror path coaching. That'd be funny. What mirror path coaching, right? Mirror path coaching.com. Did I make a typo? I don't think so. And yeah, file not found. Okay, someone probably just opened up that thingamabob. I wonder, because I was watching this on my phone, but is it not? What in the world? Okay, what? Is it not? Is it done? Ah, dang, continue. Well, sorry about that. This is got it. That's actually useful finding. Uh, I've it'll probably go into the. I might not even be able to make this all in one full session. I created. What should I put? Soul style TV. Okay, there was something that was confusing with everything, and I'm not sure how it turned out. I think I named it Soul Site Systems. Okay, there you go. So Soul Site Systems. It was between that and Soul Site Solutions. So let us continue. Well, I've got receiver JS. API key server side. Yes. And still 76. That means it's probably going to pop up pretty big. Allow Claude to write. Okay. Ignore. Projects Bot-ler. Oh no, I didn't mean to open Brave. Don't bog me down. Close. Oh. Let me see. So it's in date projects. Bot-ler. Okay. I wonder how this is going to turn out. Install the push response. Okay. I wonder if I can use OBS in the school platform. Let me check. Can I use OBS on the school platform? Open OBS, build your scene, camera screens, share overlays, routed camera. Click virtual camera. Bot-ler server in background. Go to your school. Start. OBS virtual camera is designed to send your OBS scene into apps. Okay. If you guys haven't noticed, I'm just pretending like I know what I'm reading right there. No, I don't. I just know that uh, if something conflicts with something else within the system, I gotta make sure that it doesn't work correctly. What is this? Hold on. Okay, the bottler is loaded and running. End-to-end pipeline. Confirmed UI. Book retrieve file. Sonnet call. The only thing it's waiting on is your API. The error is the correct. API is secret. Paste it into off screen. Don't show it on the stream. Yep. What got built? Your brand is Greenfield. The open web. Who are you? Ah, okay. I do like the colors. It's pretty cool. But I gotta finish this. So it's done. When you're ready, the next portable identity core running. So here, yeah. So now I have this. You see, open it now, and you'll see the terminal and your Anthropic key. You're live. Okay, I am going to probably pop out of this and check it out. Okay. So, honest finding, your brand is Greenfield, the open one. Let me just pop this one more time. The only thing waiting is your API key. I think I go to Claude console, right? Okay. Well, I am going to end this stream right here, and I'm going to go add that API key. And on the next recording or live stream, I'm going to show you exactly what I created. I'm not going to make any changes until I show that part of the stream. I'm not even going to put that guy there. Okay. All right. Thank you for popping in on this stream. The one streamer that came in.